What if you could build a digital asset that works harder than you do, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever experiencing a single moment of creative block? We are officially entering the era of the zero-touch YouTube channel. Step into the future of digital relaxation, where breathtaking art meets ruthless algorithmic precision. By synchronizing VideoGen's powerful generative motion engine with ImagineArt's incredibly high-fidelity visual aesthetics, we have built a self-sustaining digital gallery that streams ethereal, mesmerizing landscapes indefinitely. Welcome back to AMAAI Tech. Today, we are bridging cloud-based technical automation with pure artistic serenity. We are deploying a revolutionary system that curates, renders, and broadcasts atmospheric visuals entirely on autopilot. This is not just a standard live stream, it is a technical masterclass in deploying cloud-based scripts for a permanent, revenue-generating digital sanctuary. Discover how this automated workflow creates a profoundly engaging viewer experience while silently building a massive passive income stream in the background of your life. Let us begin by analyzing the automated visionary landscape. If you look closely at the modern YouTube algorithm and current ad revenue benchmarks, you will notice a massive shift. High-fidelity atmospheric visuals, often categorized as ambient, study, or sleep streams, are dominating watch time metrics. Viewers are no longer just watching videos, they are using them to alter their physical environments. They put these streams on massive 4K televisions or dual monitors while they work, study, or sleep, resulting in average view durations that last for hours, not minutes. However, manually creating hours of highly detailed, looping animations is incredibly exhausting and expensive. We are demonstrating a monumental shift from manual content creation to sophisticated artificial intelligence orchestration for long-form ambient streaming. The secret lies in the synergy between two specific tools: ImagineArt's breathtaking aesthetic depth and VideoGen's real-time motion rendering capabilities. ImagineArt is the creative mastermind of this operation. Its text-to-image engine produces a level of cinematic lighting, intricate texture, and ethereal beauty that completely shatters the boundaries of traditional digital art. To make this work, we must architect the generative pipeline. This is where you transform from a standard creator into a systems architect. We configure cloud-based scripts that allow ImagineArt to autonomously iterate on ethereal prompts without any human intervention. Imagine instructing the AI to generate an ancient glowing elven forest during a bioluminescent rainstorm. ImagineArt renders this prompt into a mind-blowing, hyper-realistic 8K masterpiece. But a static image is not enough to hold a viewer's attention or pass YouTube's monetization policies for reused content. This is where we set up a seamless API handshake between the ImagineArt image generator and VideoGen. VideoGen takes that static, high-fidelity masterpiece created by ImagineArt and breathes life into it. It adds the subtle motion of falling rain, the gentle swaying of glowing trees, and the shifting of cinematic light, transforming the art into an immersive, looping 4K video. Furthermore, we optimize the metadata selection process. By utilizing AI agents, the system can choose the most engaging visual themes, such as cyberpunk cityscapes during the day or cozy, snow-covered cabins at night, based entirely on current viewer retention data and search trends. Once the pipeline is architected, the next phase is deploying the infinite stream. You cannot rely on your personal computer to run a 24/7 broadcast. The hardware degradation alone would destroy your profit margins. Instead, we navigate the setup of continuous cloud broadcasting servers, specifically virtual private servers or VPS. By running lightweight broadcasting software on a remote cloud server, we eliminate the need for local hardware or constant manual monitoring. Your computer can be turned off, you can be traveling the world, and your digital gallery continues to broadcast to thousands of concurrent viewers globally. To guarantee absolute stability, we implement strict fail-safe rendering protocols within the server. These protocols ensure smooth visual transitions and completely uninterrupted playback, buffering the VideoGen loops seamlessly so the viewer never experiences a dropped frame. Finally, to complete the digital sanctuary, we synchronize the visual output with artificial intelligence-composed generative audio. By feeding endless, copyright-free ambient soundscapes that perfectly match the mood of the ImagineArt visuals, we create a fully immersive, multi-sensory experience that keeps viewers locked in for hours. Now we must focus on the ultimate goal: maximizing passive revenue streams. A stream that runs continuously is a powerful financial vehicle if monetized correctly. First, we look beyond standard YouTube AdSense. For live broadcasts, we integrate automated super chat triggers and channel memberships designed specifically for the relaxation and study stream communities. Viewers who use your stream as their daily background environment are highly likely to become paying channel members to unlock custom badges and support their favorite digital sanctuary. Second, we leverage midstream, high CPM ad placements. Because ambient galleries have exceptionally long duration viewing sessions, you can strategically place non-intrusive display ads or subtle video ads that do not disrupt the relaxing vibe but generate significant revenue over a 10-hour session. However, the most lucrative secondary monetization strategy is directly tied to the art itself. Because ImagineArt produces such incredibly stunning, high-resolution imagery, we explore automated digital print-on-demand links. We set up an automated integration where the exact ImagineArt masterpiece currently featured on the screen is linked in the video description. If a viewer falls in love with the glowing elven forest they are watching, they can click the link and instantly purchase a physical canvas print, a poster, or a digital wallpaper. You are essentially running an automated global art gallery where the AI is the resident artist. As your initial channel gains momentum, you must focus on scaling the creative frontier. You do not just set this system and forget it, you optimize it. We constantly review performance analytics to fine-tune the automation scripts. If the data shows that viewers stay significantly longer during rainy cyberpunk visuals compared to sunny fantasy visuals, we adjust the ImagineArt prompt parameters to generate higher fidelity and more diverse variations of the cyberpunk theme. Looking ahead, we must discuss the future of autonomous galleries. They are rapidly evolving from simple, pre-rendered loops into fully interactive, viewer-influenced AI environments. Soon, your live chat will be able to type commands that slightly alter the ImagineArt generation in real time, changing the weather or the time of day on the stream, creating unprecedented viewer engagement. Your final roadmap is clear. Do not stop at just one stream. Once you have perfected this automated workflow, you can launch a massive network of niche-specific channels. One channel dedicated to deep space exploration, one for cozy, rainy coffee shops, and one for fantasy landscapes. You can diversify and multiply your passive income effortlessly. You are no longer trading your time for money. You are leveraging algorithmic art to capture global attention. The era of manual content creation is ending. It is time to let the machines handle the heavy lifting while you reap the financial rewards. I have provided an exclusive access link to ImagineArt in the description below. Click the link, explore the limitless aesthetic possibilities, and start generating the breathtaking visuals for your very own 24/7 automated digital gallery today. Bridge the gap between art and automation. Try ImagineArt right now. The link is in the description.